As this season comes to an end, oh no, it's not a movie. It's real life. It's real life for the 5 accused. It's real life for the family of SENZO MEYIWA. It is a real life for the defense team. It is definitely real life for the state. It is also real life for Judge Rata, who came back from retirement.
Nathi sibheke okuthile ngomzakhulelwa njengoba ngithi umzakhulelwa ngangidabela ukuzaleka kwami mina uqobo ngagcina ngithi ke namhlanje ngizele umzakhulelwa uye yedwa indodana yami ekhona la ekhaya engethembele kuyo ineyingane la igcekeni iganiwe ithemba lami benginalo ukutefa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ingane yami izophuma kule ndawo ekuyona ngendlela ebengimbona ekhuluma ngayo nangendlela ebengazi ngayo nami ngoba bengazi ukuthi umzakhulelwa kasiyumbulali kaMeyiwa.
But I say this season comes to an end because it feels like we have been watching a movie day in, day out. It doesn't matter which witness is on the stand. They are just cooking. They are colluding. They are manufacturing. It is incredible. And yesterday we heard Sibanda say with his mouth and his chest and his 10 toes, okay, on the floor, standing proudly, that is, to say, we put the towers on the map. And Mnisi says, I get it, okay, I get your chat. I get it that you put the towers on the map, but your map is not concise. This is how this season ends with the Vodacom expert who we welcomed with open arms. I feel like an absolute fool. I think when she said that she has this and this certificate from Vodacom University, that was the first red flag, and we just thought it was okay.
Ngoba ngiyayithemba afiforum ukuthi njengoba ufisa uhamba afiforum abelungu abakhokhelwa ngiyabathemba ukuthi bazowenza umsebenzi ngiyayithemba kakhulu themba lami like afiforum.
We thought, okay, it's Vodacom, you know, it's a professional company. It's one of the media cell phone giants in South Africa. We can trust her. She's not from the South African Police Services. We can trust her. Do we still trust her? I don't know, because all she's done is read numbers. She hasn't told us a story. I don't know, like if somebody asked me to summarize the story, and somebody actually did, and I'll probably do this throughout the break when they're all gone on their break. Somebody asked me to summarize the SENZO MEYIWA trial in 15 minutes. That was a few weeks ago, and I was like, what? You mean the whole trial? The entire trial? You want me to summarize it in 15 minutes? That's a lot, because I digress a lot, guys. Oh my God. If there's one thing, I will off-ramp, okay? I will off-ramp and go down. I will off-ramp the N3 and realize, wait a minute, that is not where I was trying to go with the point I'm making. But I digress. Let's get back on track. It is the end of the season. Unfortunately, justice still has not been served for SENZO MEYIWA. Are we any closer to justice being served for the MEYIWA family?
Have you been interacting with the police? Have they called you?
Yes, we've been investigated by police. They took our phones. I went in for questioning and everything.
Which phones?
Our personal cell phones.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
They hadn't taken them from you.
They took them from us, and then
the criminals, I mean.
No.
Okay.
They couldn't take my phone because I ran out. I had my phone in my pocket, so they didn't take my phone. But it was later, neighbors and everyone was sleeping. I didn't even have my phone because I left it at the house, so I couldn't call the cops. They couldn't take my phone because I ran out. I had my phone in my pocket, so they didn't take my phone.
And not forgetting the other 7 occupants of the house. Okay? Kelly Kumalo, Zandi Kumalo, Tumelo, Madlala, the friend. Why can't I remember his name? I can't even remember his name. Longwe Twala, Chico Twala. Ever so loud, Chico Twala. Mapiri, the woman who cleaned up the crime scene. It's a lot. It really is a lot. This trial started under one administration. When they return, they'll probably have a new chief of police.
Well, when I came out of my mother's womb, I was never a minister. Just it's me, Bego Waketele. When I grew up, I never thought I would be a minister one day. When I do other things, and what's wrong with going back as Bego Waketele and just being ordinary South Africans and see other people doing work? Once there is a start, there is an end.
Who's going to be the JP? Is there going to be a new JP? What's going to be happening? Is it going to be a different South Africa? I don't know. I don't have a prediction glass to see the future. But I can tell you, you know what? Let me know in the comments section down below on a scale of 1 to 10. How satisfied are you with this session of the SENZO MEYIWA trial? We saw the defense team seem divided, okay? So, for example, Ngomezulu boldly, proudly wanted to proceed with cross-examination with the stupid maps, the incorrect maps. I don't know what else to call those maps. The Vodacom maps, okay? Ngomezulu wanted to proceed. The rest of the defense Mnisi said, you know, if we have to, sure, I'll show up during recess. It wasn't like a, yes, absolutely. Ramasipili came up with some thesis and Judge Rutta's like, why can you never answer a question? Why can't you answer a question? And he goes, if you say so, I will be here. Now, Mshololo said, no ways. No, never. Don't even ask. Don't you dare. Ngumalo said, listen, I've been coming to court every day and I've been sitting in this chair and I haven't been saying a word for weeks on end. Okay? Today's probably the most I've ever said since this whole Pinky Vodacom situation started. The end of a season. Someone once said in my comment section, season 11. Why? Because we're going on to 11 years since SENZO MEYIWA's death. Nisi said, while Judge Rutter was trying to be throwing some words at Nisi said, it's the first time. You're absolutely right that you've never experienced this before. This is the first time this country has ever seen such, okay? We've never had such a trial. Everything about this trial is a first. 11 years since SENZO MEYIWA was shot dead. We still don't know who pulled the trigger. I'm of the belief those who know who pulled the trigger were definitely those who were in the house. There was a theory that was in the comments. Listen, I love the comment section because it really gets you thinking. 1 minute you think you know it all, then someone comes in with a comment and says, SENZO MEYIWA was not shot in the house. And you're like, wait a minute. Wait a damn minute, but that possibly makes sense though. And then you look at the 5 accused, and then you look at their crimes. Why are they being associated with this crime? Has it been proven beyond reasonable doubt? Listen, I will be the first to make a video and say accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are guilty, and this is why the state has found them guilty. I will be the first, and I promise you, I will make that video. But nothing so far has been tekatekaring with on which side I believe. We know for a fact, the only fact that we actually know is that SENZO MEYIWA was shot on the 26th of October 2014. May his soul rest in peace. As far as I'm concerned, that's the only fact. We're now in someone called it Judge Van Rattenberg trial. Okay? Someone called it the cell phone trial. Someone else called it the cell phone towers trial. It is everything and anything else but the SENZO MEYIWA trial. We've gone off on some tangent, and I bet you these maps that Pinky's going to show up with later on today, will they even be helpful? I bet you there's going to be another early adjournment and everyone's just going to go about their lives. This is absolutely sad. Do you know why it is sad? Because people like Muzi, accused number 1, Muzi Sibia, accused number 1, his father cried in an interview. I'll play it here.
Hello?
Rohan Ntanzi's family are just so lost at it. Don't know much about the families of the other 3. Yeah, don't know much about them. What I can tell you, nobody deserves this. Remember, everyone is innocent until proven guilty. Has the state done a phenomenal job attempting to prove, at least at 50%, that they are guilty? No. I said it when the trial within a trial judgment was made, or should I call it a ruling? because he said he can always go back and change his ruling. When that ruling was made, I remember being devastated, shocked, amazed, surprised. But one thing about South Africa is a movie. And today ends season 10 of the SENZO MEYIWA trial. When they resume, what are some of the things we expect? Pinky to still be on the stand. Can you believe it? Pinky to still be the main character. She's the main character right now. And guess what? She's gotten very comfortable, okay? She's now chummy buddy with Judge Rata, okay? She even got a, I'm sorry about this. What? What do you mean you're sorry about this? Mwanintanzi's mother is being threatened and you couldn't have given a dam, a lake, a river. No. Went about it like that's not my business. Keep adding those numbers to the record. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, Mzansi, as season 10 comes to an end. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your predictions. Drop your comment down in the comment section down below. I will join you there and answer your comments. So Mzansi, this is it for this video. The end of, the partial end. That is it for this video, Mzansi. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching from outside the club, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're going to see it change color. And also, have you liked this video yet? Please like this video. Please like this video. It absolutely helps to grow my channel and helps to share the video. And that is all I ask of you to help me out. So Mzansi, thank you so much for watching. I will do what? I will catch you on my next upload. Thanks so much for watching, and this is it for now for the SENZO MEYIWA trial.